Here with a look at Injective protocol. Look at this massive wedge. Falling wedge is the most beautiful thing for me to see on a chart. It's absolutely perfect. I love these because like 8 or 9 out of 10 times these things break to the upside. Okay, this thing has been in a downtrend since what, March? Yeah, March, when it was up at 52.50. All right, right now we're down at, where are we at here? 18, roughly 1890, somewhere right around there. Okay, but you can see a breakout of the wedge. Looks like a back test here, an ABC, and possibly heading back to the upside here. Right, we're going to dig a little bit deeper into this, but I want to show you something super important. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. I've been talking about this for probably a year, okay, since way back somewhere down through here, okay, when I started YouTube. I said when this thing got up here to this 60 percentile, or about 60 point, let's see here, pull this up a bit, make sure we have this perfect. They're good. The top needs adjusted a hair. Right about there. Okay, 60.3%, right around there. It's going to get rejected. It's going to break this support, this yellow support line running up through here, and we're going to have a massive alt season. Okay, it's coming, no question about it. All right, the monthly RSI. Look at this thing. It is just tapped out. 99.7 and a 98.6. It's ready to just tank right over and die. All right, this is the highest it's ever been in the history of Bitcoin here, the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, this is the highest it has been. It's up at a what did we say there? 90, or it's right on the RSI. It's on a 67.9. 67.9. Back here before this alt season, it was at what, a 60.82. Okay, so you can see once it gets up into this danger zone, right here we had a small alt season. The 2021 alt season was here. It was a huge one, and now this one is higher than it's ever been, and we have a target for this thing for it to drop down towards 27%. You know, isn't that crazy? These coins, the cryptos, will absolutely take off. Okay, this will be a drop of Bitcoin dominance, and it lines right up with all the other ones, right around 52 to 57%. Pretty massive. All right, we're gonna make a crap load of money over in Discord. We long and short over there a lot. If you're interested, we made a pile of money this week, especially on PopCat. All right, missed a couple trades, that happens, but one trader over there, he did a 21x on a trade. 21x. So if he had a grand, he may turn that into $21,000. 21x on one trade. We had a lot of people do 3, 4, 5, 6x, a lot on PopCat and Myro. Just some great trades this week. So if you're interested, sign up for level 3 membership. It's only $15. All right, no, you don't get caught up in some of them out there that say, oh, free Discord, because you end up paying $500 or $600 for the actual course. You know, they get you into Discord and they start hammering you with it. But $15, man. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting like this, and how to set up your trading view, everything you can think of, bullish and bearish divergences, how to use the RSI, all that stuff, plus a link to the Discord to come trade with us. And right on this move down through here, we're going to make a pile of money. A pile of money is going to be made right here. A pile of it. A lot. Alright? And there's going to be winners and there's going to be losers right here. Okay? You're going to have people out there that you know, your bears, of course, or whatever, that aren't going to believe it, and they're still not going to believe it until it's about halfway down here, and then they're going to start believing it, you know, and it's going to be crazy. I can't wait. These numbers that are over here now with the crypto bubbles, these are going to be tiny compared to what you're going to see. You're going to see stuff out there that pops 30-40% a day. You'll see it. Watch and see. I mean, these are good numbers, don't get me wrong, but you're going to see stuff like, let's see here. Well, look at SPX, 12x for the month. That's beautiful. You're going to see crazy stuff out there. Like this will be stuff in a month, a 7x or whatever. You'll see. I've been through it. It's absolutely insane. I love it. I cannot wait. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to make a pile of money, guys. Absolutely. So sign up for that level 3 membership. Get over there and join us. We would love to have you. There's a site we use. It's in the description of the video. BitTunix, no KYC and no VPN. Just click on the link in the description of the video. Go sign up for it. It's free. I've been using it about a week now because MEXC started to kick people off if you don't have KYC. I had somebody message me the other day that they said that, and I sent them the link to the site I'm using now. It's great. It's set up like everything else. You can use a lot of leverage, whatever you want to use, up to 100x. And I like it a lot. So it's in the description of the video, guys. Go check it out. Sign up for it. That level 3 membership. You're definitely going to want to check that out. Try it out for a month. It's only $15. See what you think. If you're making money with us trading, then hang in there. We have members that have been in there for over 6 months. Man, it's great. I love it. I love being in there. So let's move on here. This falling wedge for Injective, that's what you want to see. All right, for sure. That's a great pattern to be in every single time. Almost these things break up. Okay. If we take a look at the weekly RSI. It's actually bearish, 59 and a 65. I'll be watching for this to turn back up here, right? This is probably retesting the breakout. The monthly looks great. It's at a 6 and a 4, okay? Yeah, be watching for Injective. Back here in 2021, this thing went to 24.88. If this alt season really gets ripping, 4.236 here is up over $100. Not, saying Injective is going to go there, but a 4.236, there's going to be a lot of stuff out there that's it's going to blow your mind. Absolutely. Monthly RSI heading to the upside looks fantastic. You got the 5-day turning down, okay, oversold down here. That's at a 45. 3-day. Expect these to turn up. The 3 days almost corrected. Down the bottom it is turning up here. I would definitely expect all of these to turn to the upside. The daily is right at the bottom, ready to go. Your 12-hour heading up, 8-hour still heading up. What you're having here is an ABC correction in here. You can see it. You got an A, a B, and a C right through here. Now if we take a measurement off this, let's go to daily and get a measurement here and see where we're at as far as a pullback. Okay, if we go from our low right here to our swing high, you can see perfect. Came down, touched the 786 right here, and is getting a bounce. A bounce right off here. Looks like a possible bottom right there, and this thing looks like it's going to start heading to the upside. Now this will do this in 5 waves back to the upside. Now this ABC, let's take I'm not going to use that wick. I don't like crazy wicks like that. Usually volatility. You got a 702 right there. A, B. See, that would mark the bottom right down to the bottom down there. Okay, we got right to there. And I teach all this in the videos for the level 3 membership. You have an A, a B up to the 702. We bring A down on top of B. That gives us our C leg target. That's a bottom. All right, I would expect, like I said, this to start heading to the upside now. The measurement of this wedge, usually take the width of your wedge, usually gives you your target for your breakout. Let's get an idea here. Let's just go inside here and just be not crazy about this, but we'll just go with that right there. All right, put it on the breakout. and that's going to take us right up towards what we're looking for, 618 or 702, right up in that zone there. All right, that I believe is a bottom. Put a fib on here, you'd be looking for 618, 702. Look at that. The width of this wedge takes us right up in that box. We're going to put a box on here. I haven't done videos for about a week. I was in a motel while they were fixing my house from the flood, the catastrophic flood we had up here. But I would definitely be looking for right around in this area, $37 to $41, right in that zone. Let's pull this over a little bit, because this could take a little bit to play out. But it looks here like this could be a big 1-2. You could be starting on a third wave right here. Your third wave will be your longest, strongest wave. It cannot be the shortest, and it's gonna work its way up in 5 waves. All right, so you could have right here. This could be a 1-2. You do have the ABC in there, which would be consistent with that. 3, fourth wave back here, probably to the top of 1 maybe, and then a 5th wave up. All right, maybe something like that. We'll leave that on there. But Injective looking very, very good. Please check out the level 3 membership, guys. Go over to the description of the video. Sign up for that link in there for that site. You'll love it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Injective is looking very, very good. Have a good day, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching.